Alright, hello everybody, welcome to another origami tutorial. I am Tri and today I'm going to teach you how to make a new origami. This is my new design and I hope you guys will enjoy making the origami. Don't forget to like the video, share the tutorial with your friends and subscribe. And now let's start. First step, let's flatten down the paper, turn it over and fold the paper in half. And then unfold the paper. Next, let's start from the top, fold both sides to the center crease. And then start from this edge, fold it to the center crease too. And repeat the same fold for the other side. And then start from the tip, first straight to the bottom to the other edge. So let's slow down and I'll show you how to do it. Alright, so then unfold the paper. On the following step, we will start from this crease. Let's match this edge to the crease. If it doesn't work, use the crease right here as a reference and match the fold. It will look very simple. And repeat the same fold for the other side. Oh wow, this is not correct, so I will adjust the fold a little bit more. Here we go. And then now we can adjust it. Make sure that they are even. Alright, so it's looks very good. On the following step, let's start from the tip again and fold straight down. And now let's fold this side up. Alright, and now on this side of the paper, let's fold this to the crease we just make. Just make a simple fold like this. Same thing for the other side. And then fold this part of the paper up to hold the paper together. And then let's flip the paper over. On the following step, let's fold the paper in half. Adjust the paper a little bit more. Fold up. And now let's start from this edge forward to the center crease. Make sure that both sides are even too, actually. Perfect. And now let's start from this edge forward to the center crease. And repeat the same fold for the other side. Let's flip the paper over and fold it. Now unfold the paper. At the very end here, let's fold up to create the stabilizers. You can match this edge to the edge right here. And repeat the same fold for the other side. And here you go. This is a new paper airplane. So after you finish the paper airplane, to make sure that it will fly, let's do one more step to create these small elevators at the end of the plane. So at the very end, make a fold up like this. And here you go. This is the paper plane. It just flies very well. Don't forget to like the video, share the tutorial with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye.